This is the IRM Moto JPeg installation video. We're going to remove this bumper with the two T25 Torx bolts underneath. Next, we're going to remove this shroud with two T25 Torx bolts up front and one in the back. Next, we're going to remove the stock tip-over bar with this 5mm Allen bolt. Once that's removed, you may need to tap and pull to get it removed. In order to make installation easier later, we recommend to blow out these two holes. Next, we need to grab the mount, which will get installed here. So in the box, look for the mount. You will see an L engraved indicating the left-hand side. Make sure that L is towards the front and facing up. We have the left-hand mount here. Once again, it's important that the engraving is facing up and towards the front. And make sure you keep this sticker on. It's very important that we start with inserting the pin in the back hole here. So you're gonna push that in as far as until this starts to hit, and you're gonna push it into place. Now that the mount is installed, grab the bolt that was removed previously when we removed the tip-over bar and install it here. We're going to reinstall the shroud. First, remove these two body nuts. We will reinstall them shortly. Push this into place and secure it with the same three Torx we removed earlier. Locate the template provided, or it can be found on our website, and install it on the bumper as shown. We're going to be cutting out these two cutouts. You can use a spade bit, a hole saw, or a Dremel. But if you use a bit, it's important to do the smaller one first. If you haven't already, reinstall the two body nuts that we removed earlier, and then we're going to reinstall the bumper that we just cut out. We need to remove the sticker that's on the bottom of the mount to expose the spring. If the spring does fall out, apply a little bit of additional grease to keep it in place. Now we're going to go into our bolt kit for the first time and grab the 3/8 bolt by 3/4 inch length, put a little bit of Loctite on it, and install it in the furthest forwardmost hole. Locate the left side arm with the standoff. It comes pre-installed at position 2, which is a good fit for about a rider 5'11". If you're taller or shorter than that, now is a good time to adjust this standoff. 1 is going to be the tallest riders, 3 is going to be the shortest riders. If you do want to adjust the setting, remove these two 1024 bolts, which require a 5/32 Allen head. Rotate the standoff to the desired setting and reinstall. Find the 1/2 inch shoulder bolt and a wave washer. We're going to apply a little bit of grease to the shoulder bolt, a little bit of grease to this top face, and also a little bit right here. Then we're going to put the shoulder bolt through with the wave washer on top. Take the arm, apply a little bit of Loctite to the shoulder bolt, and then take the ball that was provided and put it in the single detent hole. It's time to install the arm onto the mount. We're gonna start the shoulder bolt into the threads up here. It's very important as that's started that this ball is guided into the spring hole. And then we're gonna tighten it with a 1/4 inch Allen. Grab the left-hand footrest. We're gonna install this, and it's very important to match the setting that you made on the standoff. There's an arrow on the bottom side to indicate that. For this, we're gonna keep position 2. There are 3 bolts that are 1/2 inch long. It's a 5/32 Allen to install these. All right, this left side's ready to go. Repeat the same steps for the right side.